Hey guys, I'm Miss Crawford and I just wanted to show you how to navigate our Flex virtual classroom. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and minimize the picture of me, put me in the corner. So this is my computer screen and I am going to go to Microsoft Teams. So I'm going to click on Microsoft Teams to open it up. All right, now I'm in here. I'm in Teams, okay? So you go to Teams and it lists all of your classes, okay? You're going to scroll down and click on Flex, S-E-L, okay? When you're in here, you'll notice it'll say General. Now, if I put any other channels in here, when you click on them, whenever you click on them, whatever information you need to know for that channel will be right here in the center, okay? I've also created a group message in chat. So if you click on chat and you look for the message that says Flex, and if you want to pin it so you can always see your group text, you would just click on these three little dots here and you click pin. Okay, I've already pinned mine. So I can always find it because it'll be at the top. But you don't have to do that. But if you wanted to do that with your other chats so you could find them easy, that's how to do it. Okay? All right. So we do have a group chat that I will type in here and send you any information you need to know if I'm trying to get it to you quickly. Okay? But otherwise, you're going to go back to your team, and we are in Flex right here. We are on the general channel. Any information you need to know or that will be posted in the channel will be here in the middle. Now, I have added a tab up here where it says General, Posts, Files, for more. Okay, you're going to click on the arrow and scroll down where it says Flex Virtual Classroom. You're going to click it and it's going to take you to our virtual classroom. Okay. Okay. So this is our classroom that I have designed and put together. Now, this is where you're going to go each week. It might change each week, but you can click on different objects in the classroom and it'll take you to videos, assignments, important information, okay? So I have written on the board, Welcome to Flex with Miss Crawford. So when you click it, this little pop-up is going to happen, okay? That means you know that there is a link. It doesn't matter if you hit OK or if you hit cancel. This is not going to do anything to your device or computer. You're simply going to hit OK, and it's going to take you to the link. Okay, this one is taking you to my YouTube channel where I have a video for you to watch. Oops, it's loading. Okay, but I'm going to let you watch this on your own. I just wanted to show you how to get there. Okay, then let me move my face again. Then you're going to click on Introducing Miss Crawford. There's that message again. What are you going to do? You're going to hit OK. And guess what? By hitting OK, everything is OK. It's not going to give you any kind of weird virus. And it's taking you to another video. And you will need to watch that video. Okay, I'll let you watch that on your own. So there's going to be new stuff on the board, maybe every day. All right, so you're going to have to come and check our virtual classroom each day to see what it is you need to know. All right, let's see what happens if I click on me. Uh-oh, there's that message. What are you going to do? Hit OK. Look, it's taking you to another video. Okay, so then you'll watch this video. All right. Oh, look, there's a cute little dog here. What happens when you click on him? Oh, there's that message again. Hit OK. It's another video. Okay, and then it takes you to the dog. All right, so right now that's kind of all I have in here, but you're going to have to check it every day. And you can go around and you can start clicking on objects to see if they take you to other places. It might be that the clock will take you to the bell schedule. It might be that the bookcase takes you to a book or something you should read. Okay, but mainly the things on the boards, if my avatar changes, if there is a new animal in here, if there's a new object you've never seen before. Okay, experiment with clicking on objects, and each day things might change, things might not change. You're going to have to check it to find out. Okay, so mainly I want you to get familiar with coming to your teams, clicking on Flex, going and finding the virtual classroom, and seeing what all is going on with this, okay? And that's where you're going to check every day. All right? So you need to go ahead and do that. And when you've done that, you're just going to come over to this group chat. You're going to come click in here and you're going to say done and hit enter. Okay? If there's anything that I need to see or you need to turn in for me, see this little paper clip here? This is where you can attach it. All right? If you have any questions, comments, or concerns for me, you can go to that group chat and you can ask a question. Okay? Otherwise, I hope you have a great day, and that's your task for Flex this week. Thanks, guys.